Meaning of dry run.
Dry run.
Dry run.
Dry run.
Dry run. A dry run is a rehearsal or practice session that simulates a real-life situation without actually carrying out the full action or process. It's commonly used in a variety of settings, such as business, military, and sports. During a dry run, participants can identify potential issues or problems and adjust their strategies accordingly. The goal is to improve performance and reduce the risk of errors or failures. Overall, a successful dry run should provide valuable insights and enable individuals or teams to carry out their tasks more effectively.